Good morning. I've gone from my shorts to my woolly hat and undercoats. Don't let this sun fool you, it's absolutely freezing. We're doing a couple of carpets over in Warrington this morning. We thought we'd do a little video. Not done one for a couple of days, so we'll go in and have a little. We've got this carpet here. You can see that it needs doing. A few wear marks, but you can see there in front of the couches there, over near the chair there. And then we've got this room, which again, it needs doing. See over again near the door, these traffic areas here. So what we're going to do now is vacuumed, pre-spray them, and we'll show you them once they've been done. Speak to you shortly after that was all.
Yeah.
So
I know, because it was filthy, wasn't it? I think my daughter's dog had been laying up against
all
that
done over
table
there now, all clean. Come back. I'll just have a quick nosy at them. Well, we did. They've all come up nice. Lovely. Lovely stuff. Okay, we've finished that job now. Customer's delighted. On to the next one. If you need us booking in, send us a photo over of anything you want doing via Instagram, Facebook. WhatsApp's the preferred choice. Get back to you quicker if you do that. Everybody have a good day. Enjoy the sunshine, even though it's freezing out there. We'll see you later.